understanding. Don't memorize, because understanding is power and understanding is fun. This is the continuation of a series of lessons on regular polygons. And this video, we are going to look at solved final exam questions, or solved final exam questions. That is WASSCE questions. Solved final exam questions, or solved final exam questions, or solved final WASSCE questions. Solved final WASSCE exam questions, or solved final exam questions. This is WASSCE 2008 paper 2. Yes, guys. So we are going to apply all that we have studied. But as we have, if you really understood, then we will really enjoy. And this one will also let us know whether we really understood, or we have really understood what we've learned so far. Yes, we know maths. You have to practice. After you have understood, you have to practice, solve 101 questions, as many questions as you can, to make you very strong and powerful, to be exposed to different style and kinds of questions. So that is what we are going to do now. We are going to solve past questions, WASSCE final exam questions, WASSCE questions. Okay, so this is a solve final exam WASSCE question, or solve final exam question. This is WASSCE 2008 paper 2, question number 2a. It says that the angles of a pentagon are x degrees, x plus 2 degrees, x plus 25 degrees, 2x degrees, and what 2x plus 5 degrees. Find the value of what x. So how do you find the value of x? We are told that the angles of what? The angles of a pentagon are what? This. So you know pentagon. What is a pentagon? Pentagon is a regular polygon with what? With 5 sides. Okay. Pentagon is a regular polygon with 5 sides. So if this is the pentagon, okay. So let us try to draw something, guys. If this is the pentagon, then we are giving the interior angles. This is what x. And this one can be s plus what? S plus 20 degrees. This one can be x plus what? S plus 25. And this is what? 2s degrees. And this is what? 2s plus what? Plus 5 degrees. Yes, so we have to find the value of. So how do you find the value of? We are giving the interior angles of what? Of this regular pentagon. So you know that the sum of the interior angles, you know that sum of what? Sum of interior angles of a regular polygon, of a regular polygon in general, of a regular polygon in general is equal to what? Is equal to n minus 2 times what? 180. Have you seen? Yes, where n is what? Number of sides. So this was a pentagon. So it means that this pentagon, n is equal to what? N is equal to 5. So we get 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. The sum will be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is what? 3 times 180. Okay, which is equal to what? 540. So it means that the sum, in the sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon is given by this. So this is what we are giving these values, this angle. So it means that if we sum all these interior angles, we have to get what? 540. So what it means that s plus what? S plus 20, then plus what? Plus s plus 25, plus 2x, plus 2s plus 5. You give us what? Has to give us 580 degrees. Okay, 540. Sorry. So if you go to 540 degrees. Okay, guys. Yes. So that is it. So as we said, see, a pentagon has 5 sides and it has 5 interior angles as well as 5 exterior angles. So we have 5 angles. So then we can remove the bracket. So this implies that s plus what? S plus 20 plus what? S plus 25 plus what? 2s plus 2s plus what? 5 is equal to what? 540. Okay, guys. So what we do, we have to group that term. So we have s. Everything x. So we have x plus x, then plus this x, okay, plus this 2s plus another 2s, so plus 2s plus 2s, and then plus we have the constant. This is 20. Everything 20 plus, then we have 25, okay, and then we have 45. plus 5 is equal to what? 540. Okay. So what is this? We have s plus s. This is 3s plus 2s, 5s plus 2s. Get 7s. Okay. So 7s plus this is 25 plus 25. You get what? 50 degrees. So 20 plus 25 and 25 plus we will get what? 50. 50 is equal to 540. Okay. So we have 7s is equal to 540 minus what? Minus uh, minus 50. Okay, which is equal to what? 490. Okay, 490 degrees. Okay, so we have 7s. If you want to find s, you divide through by 7s is equal to what? 490 over 7. Obviously, 7 times 7 is 49. So it means that we get 70 what? 70 degrees, guys. 70 degrees. Yes, as your answer. So the value of x which is each interior angle is equal to what? 70 degrees. Guys, you see, this is very understanding and enjoyable. If you are enjoying, if you are beginning to enjoy, I mean, this solve final exam question, that's WASSCE question, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon to let me know that you are following. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Hello, guys. This is a continuation. Let us continue. But we are still looking at solve final exam questions, solve final exam questions, or solve final WASSCE exam questions, solve final WASSCE exam questions, or solve final exam questions. This is WASSCE 2008. Yes, guys, so we have to note that. Yeah, so in the previous video, this question that we look at, in fact, guys, this is a theory question. So if you are solving, we are saying that sum of interior angles of a regular polygon, sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. Okay, guys, sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is what? Is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So we have to sum of where, and you have to define n. So you can say sum of interior angles of n-sided of n-sided, sum of interior angles of n-sided sided regular polygon. Given by, so that you have to define this, and because this is a theory question, you have to define n. So alternatively, you can also say sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is given by is equal to n minus 2 times 180, where n, as you can say that n is equal to a number of what? Number of sides. You have to define the n number of sides. Okay, the theory question. Yes, that's why I've come back to draw attention to that, so that you'll be able to do that and score full marks. Otherwise, you will not get full marks. Okay, guys. So it's very important to know that. Okay, so guys, let us look at the next question. Yeah, guys, let's look at the next question. As we said, so this is it's a continuation of a series of a lesson on regular polygons. We have finished looking at the topic, and we are looking at what solve final exam WASSCE questions. Solve final WASSCE exam questions. So we are going to have a playlist on this solve final exam questions. We're going to have a playlist, and the topic that we consider the topic, the regular polygon as a topic, also have a playlist. So that is the uniqueness of this channel. Yes, as usual. So we are told that the sum of all the interior and the exterior angles of a regular polygon is this. Find the number of sides. So we say that the sum of interior angles. So sum of interior angles plus what? Exterior angles. Sorry. So you can remove this sum. Let's remove this sum. So sum of interior angles and what? Regular interior angles and exterior. So you just get sum of sum is addition. So you say interior. You can say interior. Interior angles plus exterior angles. Exterior angles. The sum of all. If we sum of sum. Sum of all the interior angles and the exterior angles. So it means that if you sum the interior angles and then you add it to the sum of the exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles. Sum of interior angles plus sum of exterior angles. Is it given by what? 1080 degrees. Okay. So if you sum all the interior angles, what do we get? The sum of all the interior angles given by what? N minus 2 times 180. Have you seen? N minus 2 times what? 180. So n is equal to where n is equal to number of sides. This is on the objective question. So those things, definition of those terms are not important. So if you sum all the what do you call it? The interior angle, this is what we get. Then we add it to the sum of all the exterior angle. Always the exterior angles, when you sum, get 360 degrees. Okay, you go to 1080. Okay, so we have n minus 2 times what? Times 180 is equal to 1080 minus what? Minus 360. So what is what do you call it? 1080 minus 360 is you give us 720. Everything. So we have n minus 2 times what? It is multiplying times what? 720. Okay. So if you want to, you can divide 2 by 180. So n minus 2 is equal to 720 over 180. Have you seen? Okay, so this will cancel. So what is 72 divided by 18? You get what? Give you 4. Or it means that n minus 2 is equal to 4. So we make n the subject is equal to what? 4 plus 2, which is what? 6. So it means that the polygon has what? 6 sides. So we are asked to find the number of sides. So the correct answer is what? Is B, which is what? 6. Okay, guys. I hope you are enjoying that. Let's move on. Consider the next question, guys. Very interesting. You have to solve more questions. As many. Okay, guys. So this is also an objective question. The previous question was what? Was a theoretical question. So this you are still continuing on continue with the solve final exam question. Solve final WASSCE exam what? Questions. This is 2000 and WASSCE 2009. Okay. They find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angle is thrice the exterior angle. Have you seen? So if interior angle, if I is equal to the interior angle, I is equal to interior angle, and what E is equal to exterior angle. Exterior angle. That's why we will not waste time. This is an objective question. We don't define time. So we are saying that you know that from the topic, from this topic, you know that if you sum interior and an interior angle and exterior angle, you get what? 180 degrees. So sum of the interior angle and one interior angle plus one exterior angle will give us 180 degrees. But the question is saying that you say that you should find the number of sides of a regular polygon. So we are going to find number of sides in n. That's what we are going to find from here. Whose interior angle is 3 times the exterior angle. So it means that the interior angle I is 3 times equals to 3 times the exterior angle, 3 times E. Have you seen? So I is equal to 3 times. So whatever we see I, you can put here, you can put 3 times E, which is what 3E. Have you seen? So it implies that 3E plus E is equal to what? 180 degrees. So this implies that what do you call 4E is equal to what? 180. Have you seen? So E is equal to what? 180 over what? Over 4. 180 over 4, which is equal to what? Equal to 45. 180 over 4, which is 45 degrees. Okay? Yes, we are asked to find the number of sides. Yes. So this is the one of the exterior angles. Each exterior angle is given by what? 45 degrees. You know that some of the exterior angles will also give us what? 180. Sorry, 360 degrees. So if you know that yes, each exterior angle is given by what? 360. If you sum all the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles E will give us what? 360 degrees. Have you seen? So if you want each of the exterior angle one, sum. This is sum. If I want one of the each or one of the exterior angles given by 360 over divided by n. Have you seen? So it means that each of the exterior angle, which is 360 divided by n, is equal to what? It's equal to this 45 degrees. Have you seen? It's equal to 45 degrees. Each of them is equal to 45. So you can equate it to 45. Okay. So you multiply 2 by 4, multiply 2 by n. You get what? 45. You get 360 is equal to 45 for n. You can turn the equation the same as 45 n is equals what? 360. Have you seen? So n is equals what? 360. 360 over what? 360 over 45. 360 over 45, which is equal to 8. You get 8. So the number of sides is equal to what? 8. Yes, that's it. So yes, so that is. Let's try to look at if there's an alternative method. Say that you find number of sides of what? a regular polygon whose interior angle is thrice. Yes, you know that some of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by n minus 2. So this is method 2. N minus 2 times 180. So each of them is equal to what? 180. N minus 2 times 180 over, and each one of them is this. And then the sum of the so the exterior angles of a regular polygon is also given by 360, and each of them will be equal to this. Have you seen? So each interior angle is this, and each exterior angle is this. But the question is that the interior angle is 3 times. So each interior angle, this n minus 2 times what? 180 over what? Over n is 3 times the exterior angle, which is 3 times what? 3 times each of the exterior angle, which is 360 over what? Over n. Have you seen? So you can multiply 2 by n. Then n will cancel this, and multiply 2 by n times n. Then to cancel this, and then times what? Times n. Then to cancel. Okay? Then what do you have? Have n minus 2. Huh? Well, so 180 is equal to 3 times what? 360. Okay? So this is what we are having. Okay, guys? Yes. So what do you have? We can make n minus 2 the subject by dividing 2 by 180. So we have n minus 2 is equal to what? 3 times what? 360 all over 180. Have you seen? Okay, guys, this is very simple. Okay, so you have this one, which is equal to what? 180 goes into 360 or 2. This one is 2. So we have 3 to bracket 2. Okay, yes. So we have what? N minus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 3 times 2 is 6. So this implies n is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Guys, so this is very interesting. Just a matter of understanding. That's why the name of the channel is what? Get understanding. Don't memorize. You have to understand. If you understand, understanding is power and understanding is fun. You can do whatever you like. You handle the question in any way that you like. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next. Guys, are you trying to appreciate and getting understanding? That's the name of the channel implies. Then let me know by subscribing and hitting the bell notification icon. Guys, don't forget to share it with your friends who also need this interesting and understandable lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.